Hey guys, well, we plugged the Xbox in and we still didn't get any lights. So what I'm going to do is unhook from our power source here and open it up so we can take our face completely off. As you see, a little tab there. Just let you see what it is. What we're going to have to do is go a little bit deeper. So we're going to go to our main screws here and get them out so that we can get inside the Xbox. So just bear with me. I don't have a star head right now, so I'll be using this tool. Get them started. Okay.
Take a picture.
You can pause it, dude.